Welcome to Centrotherm's condensed contractor training, talking about our product today and our offering for a flue gas exhaust system to safely vent those toxic fumes from high efficient appliances. So let's talk about some safety listings. So all of our products, all of our polypropylene vent systems are tested to a specific standard for flue gas exhaust. So we have UL 1738, which is the US venting standard for the full country. We have ULC S636, which is the Canadian vent standard, and we also now have a product set to CE EN 14471. This standard is the European option for venting high efficiency appliance. So let's talk about our UL listed venting system, both for Canada and the United States, where we have a comprehensive offer which goes all the way to 12-inch. So we have 2-inch diameters all the way to a large 12-inch diameter with single wall kits, concentric kits, flexible kits, anything you're going to need to exhaust your high efficiency appliance. We also offer a 10-year warranty. Think about this. We have a product that's tested for flue gas exhaust standards and safety listings. So of course we can offer a 10-year warranty to you as this material is tested for the specific application of flue gas exhaust. No solvents, no glues, no primers at all when you're installing our pipes. It's secured with a connector ring for the residential diameters, made easy to put together with a lubricant, a water-based lubricant, and secured with an EPDM gasket. A little bit more about the brand. So our brand is over 125 years old, where we have 30 years of polypropylene venting sales all across the world. This is a tested and true product for a dangerous application of flue gas exhaust. And it's engineered, supported, made and stocked right here in the United States. So talking about our UL listed product, we offer different lengths of vent pipe to the contractors. The different lengths available: 1-footers, 2-footers, 3, 6, and 10-foot vent lengths for your installations. So our pipe can be cut to fit in the field, where you will cut the male end off and you want to keep your female hub for your connection points. Our pipe is very lightweight, easy to transport, and even easier to install. The EPDM gasket. Each female hub of our pipes and fittings will have an EPDM gasket to secure the airtight seal to make sure flue gas exhaust is only going through the pipes and not escaping into the air. Since our polypropylene pipe is only made for venting the exhaust for high efficiency appliances, there are some specific unique components that we have to offer you for your installations. So things like test ports, increasers, reducers, drains, siphons, all the condensate management, all the different terminations from chimney covers to B-vent covers to low profile wall terminations. All of these parts and pieces are unique to us, and we're going to offer them to you for your flue gas exhaust systems. Speaking of OEM approvals, so if you go into any appliance manual that you're installing, whether it be a furnace, a water heater, or a boiler, you go to the venting section, you're going to see a chart that shows a list of approved materials with the standard that they're tested to. Luckily for you, we are an approved material for all of these appliances, from furnaces, boilers, to water heaters. You will see Centrotherm's polypropylene venting as an approved material for their appliance. Speaking of adapters, specifically adapting at the outlet of the appliance, there are some appliances that will require an adapter piece to transition from the adapter outlet to our venting system, but we've made it super easy for you guys in the field to figure out what adapter should you use with your appliance that you're venting. So if you go to centrothermadapters.com, it'll show you a full list of all the appliances that we're approved for with their respective adapter. So all you're going to do is start to search up the appliance that you're installing, which will automatically filter the list, and it'll show you the make and model of your appliance with the adapter that you will need to use at the appliance outlet to start your venting system off with. So here's some components that are unique to Centrotherm in its product offering. Connector rings, which are required at each joint in the 2, 3, and 4-inch diameter. Anything above 4-inch, your joint will not need a connector ring. We offer support clamps to support your venting installation in both the vertical and the horizontal application. We have bird screens, which will go at your termination point to make sure nothing blocks the flue gas exhaust from escaping to the outside. We have all the different condensate management pieces that you're going to need to drain your vent system as the life cycle of the appliance goes on and off. We have a base support, which is designed to support the vertical weight of a vertical run of venting at the base support level. We offer a concentric venting system, which will give you a polypropylene inner pipe to facilitate your flue gas, and also give you a metal outer pipe, which is going to allow fresh air back to the unit. So this is going to give you one termination through the roof or through the sidewall, giving exhaust and intake into one singular pipe. Now we also have reversible adapters, which are going to bring you from a twin pipe venting system to a concentric pipe termination or a concentric pipe in any application. Whether you want to run two pipe to your terminating wall and then adapt to a concentric termination, you can do that. Or if you want to run two pipe to your terminating wall, transition to concentric vent somewhere along the line, and then terminate with a concentric termination at that point, you can do that as well. So they're reversible adapters that allow you to adapt to two pipe to concentric pipe anywhere in the venting run. We offer roof terminations and also wall terminations for concentric venting applications. Here's a very exciting product that we offer. It's a flexible product that's going to line your chimneys or line your B-vents. We offer this in 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, and also 6-inch diameters. And this is a perfect way for those retrofit jobs to get done very quickly. So think about this. When we're swapping out a low efficient appliance that was typically using a chimney or a B-vent to exhaust the fumes, when we're swapping that for a high efficiency appliance, we can't use the chimney or the B-vent to exhaust those fumes. And we have to think about another way to exhaust the flue gas from this high efficient appliance. Well, if you use our flexible venting, you can reuse that chimney or reuse that B-vent as a chase to then extract your fumes from the high efficient appliance. One thing about our Flex is we offer kits that will give you everything needed to line your chimney or line your B-vent. So you're going to get everything from top to bottom, from the termination to the flexible venting to your base support, all in one kit. And then you just have to pick the parts and pieces to hard pipe from your appliance to the base of the chimney or the B-vent. Our Flex isn't designed to attach directly to the outlet, and we need some hard pipe to adapt from the unit to the base support to then have your Flex in the vertical, reusing that B-vent or reusing that chimney as a chase for your flue gas exhaust. Another thing that we offer is a VentBOM service. So if you send us a sketch of any kind, it can be a sketch on a piece of cardboard, it can be a nice sketch on graph paper, or it can be the full engineered drawings. We will turn this from the drawings to a complete bill of materials. So you get a few-page document which is going to give you a full list of materials that you need for the job. It's going to give you an order of installation, and it's also going to give you a 3D rendering, which is shown right here. This 3D drawing will correlate to the order of installation via section numbers, so you know where each piece is being installed, when you have to install it, and you even get a full list of material for that job. So that's a service that we offer to contractors and wholesalers for free, and I would urge everybody to at least try this service once so you know you're getting everything you need for your venting job. So your vent pipe is going to heat and cool. Anything that heats and cools is going to expand and contract. This touches on how our polypropylene pipe is designed when you're putting them together. So it's designed to handle the expansion and contraction, which is why we use a female hub and a male end to go together, and that EPDM gasket is going to allow for the expansion and contraction. So like I said, our pipe can be cut to fit in the field. However, you want to keep your female hub end for your connection point, and you're going to want to cut off the other side, which is the male end, to fit where you need it to in the field. Also, connecting our pipes is super easy. So you see we have an elbow already connected here, and it's secured here by our connector ring. Again, connector rings are required on the 2, 3, and 4 inch. Anything above 4 inch, you wouldn't need this guy to make your connection. And supporting the system. So here's an example of one of our support clamps, which is a clamshell style design, designed to fit 3/8 threaded rod for further support. I get a question all the time is, can we use a third-party support clamp on my installation? And the short answer is yes, you can. The long answer, however, to conform with UL 1738, the support clamp must be fully encompassing. It must be a clamshell style design. So notice how the support clamp encompasses the full diameter of the pipe. That would be the requirement to make sure that we're still abiding to UL 1738 standards while supporting our pipe. So this is just showing an in-depth version of our socket with the gasket, and it's also showing how if the wrong glue is used, PVC joints can crack and fail at the elbow level, whereas our female hub and our gasket allows for the expansion contraction throughout the life cycle of the venting system. Now I'm going to talk about InnoFlue LITE, which is a new product to us, which is tested and set to the European vent standard. So I was talking about standards, where UL 1738 is the United States venting standard. Now we're going to talk about the European venting offering, which is tied to their standard. InnoFlue LITE, what is it? This is our vent offering that's tested to the European vent standard. So for those of you that live in an area where UL 1738 is required, this is a perfect material for your intake solution. For the vast majority of us that live in an area where there are no UL 1738 requirements, this is a perfect material for your exhaust piping as well as your intake. So this pipe has over 30 years of proven, reliable field service over in Europe. It's the same great venting with new great savings. It uses the same base resin as InnoFlue, so it's practically the same pipe without the flame retardants. This allows us to release this pipe at a price that's more competitive to the market with the other materials that you're already using. All the same great things that you're getting in our gray pipe, from the installation to the high temperatures to the lightweight, everything's the same in our European listing. It's going to handle the same high temperatures of 230 degrees, and it's perfect for those quick residential runs, the up and outs from your high efficient appliances. And it's going to integrate fully with InnoFlue as a full product offering. So this is touching on some regulatory changes that's coming down from Washington, which is basically pushing more high efficiency appliances into the market. So if you're installing more high efficient appliances, this creates a rise of venting opportunities in your installations. So if you're swapping out a low efficient appliance for a high efficiency appliance, venting has to be first of mind. So I just want to put the note out there that there are going to be a lot more venting opportunities to come through these regulatory changes. With InnoFlue LITE, we feel like we're hitting all sides of these circles. Typically, you're going to get a product that it may be for a good price, but you won't be able to get it fast. Or it may be a good price, you'll get it quickly, but it won't be a great product. With our product, we're hitting all sides of these triangles, all sides of the circle. You're getting a product that is high level of performance. It's tested to a venting standard. You're going to get a product that is now priced competitively to other materials on the market, and you're going to be able to get it fast. We have a very well-stocked inventory. We have great wholesale partners across the United States, so you're going to be able to get it quickly when you want to use it. This is touching on the value propositions of our pipe. Again, if you're in an area where UL 1738 is enforced, this will only be an intake solution, not an exhaust. But if you live like the vast majority of us, where there are no requirements for UL 1738, this can be a perfect solution for your exhaust system as well. Again, 30 years of proven, reliable field service. This is not a new product to the application of flue gas exhaust, but it is a new offering to you guys for the United States. So this chart is showing some of the differences between PVC and InnoFlue LITE. So of course we want to be resistant to all the common chemicals found in condensate. Condensate is extremely acidic. These chemicals will eat right through the pipe. So again, we're resistant to all these common chemicals found in condensate. We have the highest rated temperature. You're still getting 230 degrees for a maximum flue temperature on our pipe, different from CPVC and PVC. Also the weight per foot. It's a very lightweight material. It's very easy to install. No chloride leaching, and it's a fully recyclable product. So this is showing the unique components to InnoFlue and InnoFlue LITE. Brand new to us is the Octo Clamp, which is going to act as the connector ring and the support clamp all in one piece. Introducing our Octo Clamp, which is going to act as a connector ring and a support clamp all in one very cool, very new design. So let's show you how this works. So you're going to unhook it using the tabs. You're going to open it up and you're going to put it around the joint that you want to connect. So notice here, you're going to have your stainless steel teeth and you're going to have an opening. So this part is directional, and you want to make sure that your inner channel here is sitting on the hub of your female end. So just like so, and that's it. A connector ring and support clamp all in one. So this port is going to connect directly to your 3/8 threaded rod, and then there's also a port for an arm. So this is our hanger. If you don't want to use 3/8 threaded rod, you can use this hanger with 2 ports, one on the vertical, one on the horizontal, to support your vent system. So all you would do is attach it directly to your connector ring, your Octo Clamp here, and you can support it just like that. So this is showing the female end of our polypropylene parts, where the socket and the EPDM gasket allows the airtight seal to make sure your flue gas is not escaping to the outside and is staying within the pipe. So again, Centrotherm, we take great pride in our customer service, making sure we're answering the questions that come up in the field in a very timely fashion. So this slide is showing some emails for general inquiries or other questions that you may potentially have. We're a real person, we'll answer you in a timely fashion. Some different support documents. So if you go over to our website, our marketing team has done a great job with a bunch of different supporting materials, from installation guides to submittals to catalogs, right over at our website, centrotherm.us.com. Thank you guys for watching. If you want a presentation that goes into more detail, hop over to YouTube, where our 1-hour training session is recorded. Again, it goes into way more detail of the codes, the standards, our capabilities, and our product as a whole.